Hi, sociologists. How are you doing on this rainy Monday? Just wanted to do our check-in. We're moving into groups and organizations, which is kind of on the macro level of sociology. So I'm going to ask you to think about how, large bodies of humans or small bodies of humans work together collectively towards common goals. So that's what you're going to be doing this week and thinking about those the human in terms of those things. So group dynamics, how does group size affect accountability? So if you're in a group of 100 compared to like a group of three, kind of think about those things like where do you feel a sense of different responsibility? That just might be a midterm question. So maybe you want to ponder that. I don't know. But anyways, so that's where we're at, and I hope all is well, and I look forward to looking at yourself in context assignments that you turned in yesterday because I finished papers and they were awesome, and you all have feedback, so feel free to check in on that. Alrighty then, have a wonderful week.